Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Lego Party game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that you need to select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. So once done, now check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings, then test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and then switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After doing this step, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to check for Lego Party updates. So you should make sure your game is updated and not running on outdated version. If your game is not updated, kindly update it and after that check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to clear cache of Lego Party. For that, press Xbox guide, then my games and apps, then tap on see all option. Here search for Lego Party game, then press menu. Now choose manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data, then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open account. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check for the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check for Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated and is not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once update is done, check if the error is fixed. If not, next solution is to reinstall Lego Party game. So for that, first press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Lego Party game, then press menu button. Now select uninstall option over here. After the game is removed, open Lego Party official website or from wherever you want to download and download the game. After that, try to play it and see if it's working now. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. You just have to go to Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or they will try to resolve it from their end. So by this way, you can easily fix the issue you are coming across while playing the game on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.